Draw them into the pen! And close the gate, but be careful, he's in a temper!
You're breeding them here?
They require natural habitat. We thought of you zoo, but had to fight the war office. Then you came knocking on my door, as if you could read my mind. You paved the way with pigs. What a crack-brained idea, and what splendid luck for us.
The feed's ready for the pigs, I have to go.
See you later, darling.
It's a pig farmer of Warsaw.
Go. Cover yourselves. Here, go. Good girl. Hello.